Hey everyone, this is Travis with Diesel Laptops, and today we're going to go through a walkthrough of a Volvo 350EL excavator using the TEXA software, and then we're going to show you how to code the injectors on this unit. So I'm just going ahead, I'm going to get us connected. We're just going to choose our manufacturer here, followed by the type of equipment it is, in this case an excavator with a Volvo engine, and this is a Tier 4 final unit. Now you see here you have diesel injection and SCR DPF aftertreatment system. So for your aftertreatment module, we're not going to go into that right now. We're just going to go directly into the engine ECM. So we'll just click confirm here that the key is on. We'll give it just a moment here to connect. And this will actually start by bringing it up on the faults page. So you can double click these will give you your fault codes. You can also come in here and look at freeze frame data if you wanted to. In this case you get your P code there, and then any of these with the star 1, 2, 3, there's freeze frame data associated with that code. So we can click this will give us some of the parameters or live data at the time that code's set. Alright, we'll go back. We'll just go over here to the parameter side. It's 121 of these. I'm just going to scroll through rather quickly here as they populate down the list, just give you guys an idea of what this looks like when you're connected to this engine. Okay, and make our way towards the bottom here. Alright, another neat feature is this dashboard. So we'll go through it. You've got 3 different ones here you can look at, and we'll go to the last one here. And once you get into that after treatment module, of course, then you'll see some different dashboards there. Under ECU info is basically just going to tell us what we're hooked to and some information about it. And then under activations, these are any tests you can do specifically on the engine side. Under our settings tab, we can go to injector coding. We'll click start, press confirm, verify our conditions. And one thing you'll see here is every current injector code in the system. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change injector 1. We're just going to swap and put number 2 for number 1. That way we can show you guys this works. So we'll choose our injector, number 1. We'll enter in information from injector 2. 645 you are. Okay, we'll just hit confirm here. Right. Once you do that, it's going to take a few seconds here to actually write that to it. And once this is finished, it'll actually come back up to that same screen. So we'll give it just a moment. Alright, procedure complete. So we'll hit confirm. And then it's going to go back and read those injector codes to make sure they have changed. So as you can see now, injector 1 does match injector 2. And it's as simple as that to code injectors with this software. Alright guys, thanks for watching.